In other news, the search continues for a missing taxi operator in Kingston. The driver's vehicle has been found, and so there's a glimmer of hope for his relatives and colleagues. TVJ's Shane Masters reports.
It's been over a week since Kenneth Duncan, also known as Paul or Twinny, a taxi operator in the Jonestown area of St. Andrew, has been seen. Information received by TVJ News is that he went to carry out his duties on Thursday, January 31, but did not return home. His apparent abduction has led to a number of protests by close family and friends since the start of this week. Friday morning, taxi operators again staged a protest in a bid to get information on their missing friend.
Anybody know him whereabouts, whether dead or alive, we need it for us to bring him back, because we need the body for bury. And in my guts, we know him not dead.
We need closure. Because we cannot work knowing that we don't know where our brother is.
Mr. Duncan's daughter, Paulisha Duncan, says the abduction of her father has shaken the entire community.
We don't need no violence. My father is not violent. My father don't do nothing to deserve this. Everybody shot at, everybody shaking about this.
In the meantime, a crowd gathered at the Admiral Town Police Station Thursday afternoon as this white Nissan Tida motor car, which belonged to Mr. Duncan, was reportedly found in a section of Augustown known as Dallas Castle. A reward is now being offered for any information which could lead to finding Mr. Duncan or the retrieval of his body if he is dead.
You see the need and the urge for my father to come home. We are giving 2,000 US, he claimed 2,000 US for anybody who can bring my father forth. Please, we need him.
Shane Masters, TVJ News.